What's going on, guys? So today we're going to go see Danny's dream car, which is my dad's 1974 Firebird, and he's been pestering us to go see it the entire week because he thinks he's going to be able to drive it soon. So let's go get in here and wait for him because he likes to take forever. That's Danny for you. Alright. It's cold and I need gas. No bueno.
Turn the key forward.
See, it's my skin hit it.
Turn the key forward, see if you got lights. That's heavy duty lights.
What does that mean?
That means it's bright, so that means the battery's charged.
Hey, Dan.
Alright, Dan, go ahead.
Car wash.
Do it again.
So close.
Yeah, do it again. Damn it. Damn it. Do it again.
Alright, so it's having a little trouble starting, which is, expected. It's been sitting for quite a while. We're going to try a few more things with it, see if we can get it going. And we're back for part 2. Hopefully it'll get going.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, so we couldn't get the start. I kind of didn't expect anything other than that, but it's an old car, it's been sitting, what else could you expect? And we're gonna try it another day, for sure. Danny was pretty upset, but he can't drive yet, so it doesn't matter. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Just showing you the car that, Danny really wants. There's gonna be a lot more videos coming soon, don't worry about that. I know it's been, there hasn't been anything posted for a long time. It's just been busy, a lot of busy work, not enough time for pranks. There's gonna be more coming soon, don't worry. Until then, like and comment on the videos, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.